Hello everybody, this is Matthew Breedlove with the O's Galloway Real Estate Group at Royal LePage Island Living. I'm sitting here nice and kicked back and relaxed because I'm in a fabulous location. I'm in Quails Landing, and this is our newest listing at 114-730 Barclay Crescent. Inside this home, there's 2 levels, but on the main level is the primary bedroom with easy access. There's a beautiful sunny back patio with a huge patio looking out towards the greenspace and Morningstar Golf Course just beyond that. Beautiful finishing in this home. There's gorgeous cabinetry, gorgeous flooring. It looks like a show home. I think you're really going to love it. Can't wait to show it to you.